Hi students, hope you are fine and staying safe at your homes. Today we are going to talk about life cycle of plants. So here we go. The first step of life cycle of a plant is to put seeds in a pit in the ground that you would like to grow. Then it is very essential to give water to the plants regularly. The seeds must be covered with soil. They have to be watered regularly to help them grow into new plants. Secondly, as the baby plant grows, the outer shell of the seed becomes soft and roots emerge from the seeds. This stage is known as sprout. Thirdly, soon the stem grows out of the seed and we can see the young plant coming out of the ground. This is known as seedling. Then, as the stem grows, we can see many leaves appearing on the plant. Small bird also appear on the plant. These birds open up and become flowers. As the flowers grow, they are pollinated and become fruits. In these fruits, we can find the seed of this plant. These seeds have a baby plant each. Now, I hope you understand very well how a plant grows. Now, here I have an assignment for you guys. Open page number 67 of your KUW workbook and draw stages of life cycle of a plant in given spaces. So first you have to draw seed as you saw seed in the video. Then draw sprout. Sprout is a root that is coming out from the seed. Then seedling, a stem is coming out from the seed. Then draw a mature plant here with proper leaves and stem. In the last, you have to draw a flower. So this is your assignment. Now come to the next page, number 68. Here you have to fill in the blanks while looking at the picture and use appropriate option from the given word bank. I hope you enjoyed the lesson a lot. So don't forget to stay safe. Goodbye.